Okay, guys, so I wanted to upload this because I know that some of you struggle sometimes with taking photos and putting them into a Google Doc or any document for that matter. So I'm going to show you two ways to do it. The first way is I am on a Mac, so I have my, a Mac is an Apple computer. I have my photo that I want to move on this side, and I have my Google Doc on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Command Shift 4 all at the same time on my computer. And do you see how my cursor changed? It went from like a pointer to this cross, this X with a circle in the middle. I'm going to click where I want to start and hold it and drag with my other finger. Don't let go until I got the image that I want, and then let go. So this is going to show up now on the side. Oh my gosh, there it is. And I'm going to click and hold it, and I'm going to drop it in my Google Doc. And if I want it smaller, I just hold these little blue bars down and move it to how small I want it to be. Or let's see if this works for you guys who are not Apple product users. Maybe you have a PC of some sort. I'm going to click the image, drag it over, and drop it. And hopefully, there we go. And we just resize the same way. So there are two ways to do that. And I didn't click on the image at all. If I click on the image, it brings me over here. I didn't do that. I just dragged it straight from where I saw it. Dragged it. Here's this frightening smiley face. See, straight from where I saw it, and resize to make it smaller. And if I don't want it anymore, I click on the image so the blue box is around it, and I click delete on my computer. Delete on my computer. Delete again. So again, for those of you who are using an Apple product like me, a Mac computer, Command Shift 4. Now I have this little weird cross with a O in the middle, an X with an O in the middle, whatever you want to call it. All I do is I click and hold, drag to size it while I'm still holding down, and let go. And it'll show up, that's that creepy smiley face, on my desktop. And then I grab it, and I drag it over, and I resize it so that this scary smiley face is no longer that large. And then I click, and I can delete. And that's what you're going to be using for your next project with me, or not project, but your next word work thing with me will be using images. So I wanted you guys to see how that worked. And that's it.